Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'll be sharing this vlog with you where I was invited for this Shivaji Gold Cup, and I decked up 9 models and they'll be doing a ramp walk. And here is my best friend Zoe. Well, this is a karate championship, and this is Shovik, her husband. You have seen them in many of my vlogs and photos, and people who are following me on Instagram. And yeah, we were about to take a selfie, but yeah. So yeah, this is the ramp. Just keep on watching. And yes, here's the team makeup mistress, which is me, and style of the dresses were designed by them, and bling who sponsored the jewelry. And yeah, it was a very great event. Thank you guys. Hey guys, today we are out towards Tajpur. So it is maybe a 3-4 hours drive from Kolkata, and we are just here at the Sher Punjab for some breakfast. And yeah, I'll take you through. Time for some coconut break. In the middle of the road, we were like thirsty and we wanted some coconut water. Such a beautiful place. Amazing. So cool. Hello. So we reached this beautiful resort, and I'm gonna stay in this room. Let's see. So this is the entrance, and the name of the resort is Malika, and I'll be sharing my room with Kohli. And because we like our husbands didn't accompany us to this trip, and this is our room. And this is the wardrobe, there's a TV, although we won't be needing this, and that's the washroom. So yeah, that is it. And well, purely they always get some or the other companion, like here this dog, and she's a very good pet lover, and yeah, she has already 3-4 stray dogs at her home, whom she takes care of, and yeah, she's a lovely person. Yeah. That's sweet. এগুলো কি ফ্রুটস দেখো, এগুলো টমেটো। কুল 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 দেখ কাঁটা আছে। ও না রে, এটা লেবু। লেবু লেবু দেখ, পাতি লেবু। আরে পাতি লেবু। ও মা, কি মজা। না না, ভুল বলছি। এটা কি জানিস জানিস কি গো? This place is so beautiful. This Malika resort, it's so huge and surrounded by greenery, and this place is so serene, man. Must visit. এই তো this is a chiku tree guys. Oh, এটাও তো বড় কত chiku. Just got over with the lunch and now just see. Oh, so cute. Look at this one. How sweet. Hey. They're scared. At the sun, the setting sun. So pretty. They have this beautiful pond right here. Like it's like no, not a pond. It's bigger than a pond, kind of a jail. And this is a sitting area where you can actually have a bonfire and chill with your friends, and yeah, just talk about life. And this place is so beautiful, man. I can spend my entire life like here. Yeah. I love these kind of serene, in the lap of nature kind of a place. Beautiful. This place is so beautiful. So beautiful. Greenery all around. I'm just loving this place, man. This is the beach of Tajpur. Well, this is super isolated right now. But I love this kind of place. Yeah. But there is no one, only us. And we're here for a walk and all by ourselves. Yeah. So pretty. Hi guys, good morning. This is the second day, and well, it's not proper morning because it's already 9:30, and we're heading towards the breakfast room. And yeah, we are just tired. We slept around 1 o'clock, and yeah.
কাল থেকে কাঁকড়া থেকে ভয় পাচ্ছি ও একদম হাসছে না কিন্তু ও আজ কখন নামবো আমি মানুষ একদম সহ্য পাচ্ছি
Hi guys, well it's the evening time and I'm ready and we're going to the shack and we'll have some crab and fish and everything. So yeah, let's just go. And I couldn't vlog that much because I'm here with some family members, some friends, and I just concentrated on the enjoyment part rather than vlogging much. But yeah. So it was a very leisure and a very intimate kind of a trip. Well, we are here to spend some quality time and some lazy leisure time, and yeah, but then I enjoyed this trip totally. And tomorrow is our last day. Like, we'll be leaving after lunch, and yeah, whatever will be possible, I'll take you through. And yeah, that's it.
বুঝতে পারি বলরা অমন না তো হয় না
Look at this little cow. Isn't it cute? Well, this is a place where we were just hanging, drinking and chatting and listening to music. It's time to say goodbye. That's the setting sun and the lovely beach of Tajpur. And that's me sharing few pictures of the trip, and I hope you all liked it. I'm trying to post few vlogs. I think I should be sharing my life with you all. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe to Makeup Mistress and follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, I'll see you guys super soon. Bye.